Through the remainder of this evening, an excessive heat warning is in place for all of Central or Brazos Valley, I should say. Now, this is going to be replaced by a heat advisory going into tomorrow. The temperatures are going to cool off by a degree or two. It'll be just enough to get us out of the excessive heat warning. But again, heat advisory is coming back for all of us. That's the latest from the National Weather Service in Houston for tomorrow. So we just can't escape those heat headlines. And we certainly can't escape the sunshine. Plenty of that outside. The cloud cover has been staying well away. Clouds simply can't develop. High pressure has been too strong today. So it's really not making its way in here. Plenty of blue sky. That will be remaining the case for your evening. And as we go through the next few hours, temperatures will be cooling off through the hundreds. We might still be at 101 by 7 o'clock, but then 98 degrees at 8. And then once we get the sun down, 9 o'clock here at 94 degrees with those winds out of the south and southeast at about 10 to 12 miles per hour. And speaking of those clear skies, it is certainly going to remain that way over the next little while. Tomorrow, there's really nothing much coming through. We're seeing just a few clouds, and then Friday, more of the same. Here's Friday afternoon, and other than a spotty cloud here and there, that's going to do it, as the rain is not going to be here anytime soon. It will be staying far away for the next few days. Your winds this evening, like I mentioned, out of the southeast roughly at about 10 to 12 miles per hour. And we'll see those winds calm down for tomorrow morning. And once we get into tomorrow afternoon, it's a southerly wind at about 8 to 10 miles per hour. So that's what we're looking at for tonight in terms of the wind speeds. Temperatures tonight around 80 for Bryan College Station. Navasota at 80 as well. Franklin 79 and Centerville 77, but it could even be 81 to 82 in a couple spots. We'll follow that up tomorrow with highs right around 103 to 104. So really in the low to mid 100s no matter where you are. And yes, this is maybe falling just short of excessive heat warning criteria, but the heat advisory will still be in place. Want to take that seriously. And as always, when we have weather like this, limit that time outdoors if you can, because it's going to be pretty rough out there regardless of what those temperatures are doing, whether it's 103 or 105. So 103 for tomorrow and 103 again on Friday. Partly cloudy, and we will still be dealing with partly cloudy conditions through the weekend as temperatures will range between 103 and 104. Morning lows 80 degrees, could even be 81 on Saturday morning, and the only mention of any kind of rain or thunderstorm activity looks to be on Tuesday. Not much there. It's a pretty small chance as of now, but something we'll keep an eye on. Only falling to 102 by that day, and then looking at 104 to 105 as we go throughout next week. So for the next few days, anticipate some form of heat alert, whether it's a heat advisory, an excessive heat warning. We will probably still have those heat alerts in place, so be sure to take those seriously.